Let's check on machines where you're getting highest sales. Highest sale which year?
2014.
Which quarter? Which quarter?
First quarter. First quarter.
First quarter. Great. Where you are getting the highest sales?
September.
In which? Just watch, analyze the screen.
2014. 2014.
Sales in the which quarter? Third quarter. In the right quarter, 2017 also increased, right? How much? Fourth quarter. Okay. Obvious. Which quarter it is increased the sales? Quarter 4. Why it is increased? Explaining the view. Okay. Click on the plus button. So you are added the screen. Added into. Yeah. Click on the office suppliers. Paper. Office suppliers in the category. And click on the paper. So where it is having the more sales, just drill down. Drill up, okay. Which year getting more sales? 2017, right? So click on the accessories. Yeah, where the sales are increased. There is zero sales, huh? Phones. You are getting wrong data. Of phones. Okay, category of phones. Which year it is increased? Drill up once. Drill up. Where you are drill up? Yeah. That is not a proper output. The left side graph. Yeah, you need to drill up there. Which year? Which quarter? Fourth quarter, huh? Yeah. First one. Afternoon, what we are discussing and statistical analysis.
Spaceless. ఇది వర్క్ స్పేస్ చేయాలంటే ఏం లేదు.